These are the 4 core components that your business needs to create an efficient AI co-piloted staff. If you run a medium-sized business and you're looking for ways to integrate AI inside of your operations, then you're typically looking to receive several benefits from this AI transformation. And these benefits can typically be summarized by having an AI co-piloted staff. You want low-risk AI adoption, high visibility into the ROI of your AI initiatives. If something's not working, you want to be able to let it go, and then you want to have empowered employees. So you want to empower your staff to be able to find, evaluate, and onboard AI tools as they come to market. Now, as you can imagine, over time, what this AI transformation will look like is it will look like a collection of tools, and these tools will be deployed inside of every department of your business. So here's an example where for sales, we have several tools that are deployed in marketing and operations, supply chain, finance, and so on. So this is what the future looks like for a lot of SMBs who are looking at going through an AI transformation. Is there will be a collection of tools that are deployed on the business, and when you zoom out and look at it like this can be a pretty overwhelming final state. Now, for many of us, this final state represents a future vision of what the AI stack looks like for our business. So how do we actually get to this point? The way that small to medium-sized businesses can get to this point and become a successful early adopter is by paying attention to these 4 core components. And these 4 core components are, first, the AI Strategist SME, second, ethical AI policies, third, AI road mapping and implementation, and fourth, putting together an AI performance dashboard. So let's dig into each of these core components to becoming a successful early adopter. So let's start with an AI Strategist SME. What is an AI Strategist SME? An AI Strategist SME is an industry expert with a deep understanding of the current and future state of artificial intelligence. Many businesses are starting to onboard AI strategists, or they're hiring them as their chief AI officer. These individuals are brought in to own the AI stack and the company's AI transformation, but they have 3 core responsibilities. Their responsibilities are to, first, architect the company's AI strategy, second, to oversee the company's AI roadmap implementation, and their third core responsibility is to monitor and report on the AI stack. As you may know, Strata 52 is an AI transformation agency, and what we specialize in is recruiting industry experts and putting them through a rigorous certification course so we can turn them into AI strategists. For us to create an AI strategist or a group of elite AI strategists, it involves several hours of coursework, a final exam, and then a written and verbal thesis process. At our company, our core belief is to find individuals who are already industry experts in a particular field. So if you are an oil and gas expert and you are an AI enthusiast, that is the perfect individual to become an AI strategist. Now, what a lot of companies are doing is they're going out and finding AI engineers or data scientists or machine learning engineers. While these individuals have plenty of technical chops, what they might lack is the higher level understanding of your industry's nuances, the acronyms, the competitive landscape, the things that are typically learned through experience and time in a given industry. So what we prioritize is we prioritize industry experience over technical experience when you are an AI strategist, and I recommend that you do the same. Now, the second core pillar to becoming a successful early adopter of AI in your business is ethical AI policies. Ethical AI policies are simply the AI guidelines and guardrails that are defined by leadership inside your business. You can think of ethical AI policies as your company's stance as it relates to what tools are we allowed to use and what tools are we not allowed to use. Examples of these policies might be a data and privacy policy, a cybersecurity policy, a support policy, a cost and billing policy, and even an accuracy and bias policy. Now, coming up with these ethical AI policies are unique to every business engagement that we typically work with. However, what remains the same are the individuals who actually write the policies themselves. The individuals who are at the core of these policies is the AI strategist and leadership. And by leadership, I'm talking about the president, the CEO, the COO, the CTO, the CIO, any of the C-level executives or anybody who is in a leadership position, because you're shaping the vision of the entire company AI posture. Putting together AI policies is not a process to take lightly, but it's something that once those policies are put into place, they need to be rolled out to the employees in the entire organization, and then department heads need to be given the responsibility of enforcing those policies so that way they have the freedom to seek out, evaluate, and adopt new AI tools without running into bottlenecks as they're asking for approval for adopting specific tools that could change their entire department. The third core component to becoming a successful early adopter is AI road mapping and implementation. Simply put, AI road mapping is the transparent list of off-the-shelf and custom AI tools that are broken down by rollout date and the department that they'll be rolled out in. To create an AI roadmap, you need to be able to identify the opportunities for AI implementation inside of the business, assign those opportunities as being solved with off-the-shelf tools or custom AI, and then we need to prioritize the low-hanging fruit so we get some quick wins in AI adoption throughout the organization. Creating a roadmap like this can be a very lengthy process. For example, for us, when we're putting together an AI roadmap, it typically takes about 4 weeks, and there are several individuals that are involved from our organization. And we partner with every department head and leadership of the businesses that we work with. The responsibility of putting together this AI roadmap, it lies on the shoulders of the AI strategist. So the roadmap itself is led by the AI strategist. Implementation is led by the AI strategist. And after all of this is in place, the entire AI stack is the responsibility of the AI strategist. The fourth core component to becoming a successful early adopter for AI in your business is an AI performance dashboard. If you've never heard of the term AI performance dashboard, don't worry, because it's a term that we coined ourselves. An AI performance dashboard is a dynamic dashboard that gives you visibility into the performance of your AI stack. You see, as we're onboarding dozens of off-the-shelf tools and we're creating dozens of custom AI tools, at the end of the year, we'll likely have expenditure in the form of subscription fees and development costs. What we want to make sure is that these expenses are actually providing the return that we expect. And the only way to do that is by measuring and monitoring the performance of each one of these AI tools that are deployed across the entire business. So the AI performance dashboard, it really categorizes 2 different types of metrics. We have one set of metrics that are more or less business KPIs. These business KPIs are relatively understandable. These are metrics like change in headcount, change in revenue, return on investment, etc. These metrics can be gathered through API access, or they can be updated on a monthly basis. The second category of metrics is not as straightforward, but they're extremely important metrics to gather. These are the employee sentiment metrics. Employee sentiment metrics shed light on things like the adoption rate, the time savings, the headcount savings, and so on. The way that we get visibility into the employee sentiment metrics is something that's a little unique. We gain insight to the employee sentiment metrics through monthly surveys that are distributed to all of the employees. So just like we review employees on a quarterly or annual basis, we recommend reviewing every AI tool inside the business at least on a monthly basis. The surveys that we distribute have the same questions, and they take about 10 seconds to fill out. These are questions like, are you using this tool? Yes or no? How much time does this tool save you? If this tool disappeared tomorrow, would your job be very difficult to do? By answering these questions, your employees will be giving you qualitative feedback, and this will allow you to assess the performance of the AI stack on a department by department basis, and also to be able to zoom out and look at the organization's AI stack as a whole. Now, if you already don't have a dashboarding solution that you're currently using, like Power BI or Tableau, or if you don't have a data analyst that's aggregating all this data, and that's their job, is to aggregate this type of data and display it in a nice dashboard so you can get rapid visibility into these types of metrics, we're releasing a free tool called My AI Stack. And My AI Stack is a cloud-based dashboard where you can create an account and load your entire AI stack to get instant visibility into the value that your AI tools are bringing your business. So if this is something that you're interested in, go to myaistack.io, create an account, and start loading your AI stack so you can start seeing the value that AI is creating for your business. Just as a summary, there were 4 core components to becoming a successful early adopter. First, you need an AI strategist subject matter expert. This is the person who will manage your AI stack from idea all the way through implementation and to AI stack management. The second core component that you need is ethical AI policies. And the purpose of these policies is to effectively empower your staff to seek out and onboard their own set of AI tools that will streamline their departments. Third is AI road mapping and implementation. This is your strategic plan and rollout of that plan. And fourth, you need an AI performance dashboard. This will allow you to make database decisions inside your business so you have complete visibility over the AI stack.